Hello, Smithsmith here. As you may all know, I'm not much of a trending channel. The only thing that ever really trended here was Spookethos tension from Walmart. And basically what I'm gonna do today for you is do a really good trending video. And if any new viewers come, if you want to see the same type of videos and make me more of a trend channel, because that's what's called Smithsmith, it's not everything, then say it. But if you guys don't unsub, but just, make suggestions. And because I'm such a small YouTuber, I take more suggestions and put most of them in. So without further ado, let's listen to Do Perfect. And this awesome, it's top-notch fidget spinner skills. Apparently it's very good for. I'm a horrible fidget spinner. And yeah, guys, we get to see a Nova Scotia ad. Sorry if it's not that loud. See, because if I put it any higher, it'll get too staticky. Dude, perfect.
Oh, she's humming, and she's ready to let loose. This is the spin bender shot.
Da-da. Oh, shit. Okay. After that, I added Nova Scotia. I was worried that this would be horrible. Can you hear me? Check. I just want to test.
What's up, guys? We're doing perfect. Welcome to Fidget Spinner Trick Shot.
It's not primary. Yes, see it. Song reality. No copyright claim. It all belongs to the song, the adventure, the artist, whatever. Also, this looks like a good video. I'm not gonna make too much commentary over this, so I don't extend it too long.
This is the spinning Ninja Star sticker.
Can you hear me? It's just a test. If you can't, it's fine.
Versus the dollar sign. Touching. Fight. Off the table. Golden Snitch versus Rainbow Trap. Fight. TKO.
This is victorious! This is the spinning bounce to a buddy shot. Spin shot.
That's right. Dude Perfect is amazing. I swear, he's the best. I'm horrible. If I try to fidget spinning like that, I'll just end up getting hit in the face. Yeah. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 10 spin tower. Gotta start with a solid foundation. The golden beauty. And of course, to finish it off, the purple moser. Ladies and gentlemen, the 10 spin tower. What a view! This is the super speed spinning spinner strike, slam, and smash shot. Here we go. I think we call that good.
and retail. Jesus Christ. And we tally up the hospital sponsored car, and it's good. Strike. Yep. Oh my god, yo, that's actually that's very good.
Hey, and also if you
Bowling
get
style.
money from sitting Indian style too long, use one of these to clean out your pits. This is the Ninja Star Skeet's Magic.
The Golden Beauty versus the Dance Party. Off the table. Ninja Star of Catastrophe versus DP. 3-hour minimum spin time. Only if you set it next to an aircraft. Off the table. Get that weak stuff out of here.
This is the Twin Toss. Let's go! Got a little game for you guys. Comment below and let us know, is this really the low to high or the high to low? Here we go. Experienced ninjas only. This is the kickspin. Court, launch me. Gotcha.
Don't be scared, don't be scared. It's a part of life. I don't care if we running high. You and me, we never have to.
This is the Ninja Star Balcony Bottle Blaster. It's the Bottle Gun Blaster. This is the Super Tall Transfer Toss. Coming up, Court. Send it. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you're not already a Dude Perfect subscriber, make sure you click down here because you don't want to miss our next video, Beach Stereotypes. It's going to be a good one. Also, if you want your very own DP spinner, click over here. And if you want to see the last video, click over here.
Wow. I know it's kind of old, an old trend already. Not really the feature from, but this video. But to be honest, that was amazing. That was really good. I could never do anything like that. Dude Perfect's amazing, guys. Everything does. Also, like I said, if you guys want more of this, subscribe for more of this, and leave your suggestions below. And if you don't want more of this, still subscribe and still leave your suggestions. If this, and please, I do not have this intent of a use of copywriting. It belongs to them, not me. It's not my copyrighted material. It belongs to the respective artist, agent, etc. Please don't copyright me. If I get copyrighted here, I'm gonna be so pissed. I'm not really trying to become a chit chat now. I'm just lonely. There it is. There's my damn mouse. Bye.